what's up? It's your girl Donnell, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make an amazing coconut and banana overnight oats. It's going to be with collagen, and you guys know I love to use my Neocell Super Collagen. Stay watching, I will be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. So I'm starting off with a half a cup of coconut milk. And this is where I'm going to add in my collagen. So I'm using my Neocell Super Collagen, 1 scoop. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of the oats. I'm gonna put a little bit of honey inside. Honey is amazing for our body. So all of my ingredients is nicely mixed inside my little container, and because this is overnight oats, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. You can keep this in your refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours, but this is gonna be my breakfast in the morning, and it's going to stay in the refrigerator overnight for me. All right, so I'm back, guys. It's the morning after, and my oatmeal smells amazing. I'm going to plug in my bananas and my shredded coconuts, and I'm gonna get ready to chow down, all right? I want a little bit with bananas and the coconut. So let's get a little bit of bananas and coconut. Dig this. Looks pretty good. Next time though. Next time I think I want to put a little bit more honey inside just to give it a little more sweetness. The bananas have that natural sweetness to it, but I'm not tasting it all just yet. So go out and give this recipe a try. And like I said, I use the Neocell Super Collagen 1 scoop in here. And it's blended really well. I don't see any clumps of my collagen inside. It's blended very well together, and I'm very impressed. Overall, this is really good. I would give it just a tad bit more honey just to sweeten it up a little bit more. But hey, I like it still. That's it for today, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that like while you're at it. And if you can, share this video with a friend or two. And remember, guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao. Mwah.